For Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's Politburo presentation on 17 September 2025. Nzabila mashko mdanyi kwa pangu wale ndio subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna mnamu mdanyi kwa mchinzi. Comrade President, we undertook Operation Restore Legacy with a sacred mandate to reclaim our nation from the jaws of corruption and to restore the dignity, prosperity, and sovereignty of Zimbabwe for its people. The Comrade President, in November 2017, we took a bold and necessary step to remove former President Robert Mugabe from power because he sought to manipulate our constitution for personal gain. He allowed certain individuals and families to seize his executive authority and abuse it. He ignored the suffering of the people while a corrupt elite looted with impunity. He turned the ZANU-PF into personal fiefdom, disregarding its founding values. Number 3. During November 2017, we risked everything, our lives, our freedom, our futures, to restore and defend our legacy, the party, and the constitution. Number 4. Today, history is repeating itself in the most shameful way. Comrade President, why we find ourselves in this situation is both shocking and shameful. Number 5. Comrade President, on several occasions and even abroad, you have informed the nation that you are a constitutionalist, and yet it is now clear for anyone to see that the so-called 20th agenda to extend your term of office is real and alive, and this has now taken us back to the use that led us to November 2017. Number 6. Moreover, the drivers of this so-called 20th agenda have now made corruption, looting of our state coffers, and bribery of our structures the cornerstone of their contribution to this campaign, and this is now destroying our party and violating our constitution. We are witnessing in shock as some of our officials in the party and government have now become a law unto themselves and are even announcing to our people at gatherings that we are no longer holding elections in 2028. These are critical announcements on matters that we as a presidium